Do you teach, market yourself, sell, or make presentations? Would you like to become a more powerful presenter? Learn how to control the room without being controlling. How to use light, color, music, flip charts, and PowerPoint to set the mood, engage your participants, and enroll adult learners into the process of having fun learning. Learn the strategies and techniques that create suspense and keep participants on the edge of their seats for days, no matter how technical the content may be. Anyone can make any presentation powerful, engaging, and interesting, no matter what the topic or demographic is, as long as you have the right tools. This one-day event will give you the basics and get you on the road to becoming a powerful presenter. Complete this course and also receive a certificate for the Texas Real Estate Commission approved Adult Instructor Training Program. Thank you. Now go mind your own business.
Sign up for the Basics of a Powerful Presentation class now by calling 512-453-0900 or go to www.buildmyrebusiness.com. Now go mind your own business.